The Philippines was once underwater before it became home to 115 million Filipinos. Now, the country has two crises: climate change and meeting its growing energy demand. How can the Philippines achieve both before the archipelago sinks back down? In order to address these persisting environmental problems, the Philippines released the Philippine Energy Plan. It is an extensive plan that will ensure energy security while diversifying the country's energy mix by including renewable energy and the sustainability of other available sources. But with the entry of nuclear energy and the importation of liquefied natural gas into the mix, can we achieve these goals? Currently, renewable energy accounts for 20% of the mix, which is still far from the two goals. But do not fret because the country is striving and pushing harder to reach that ambitious target. The country opened programs such as the 100% foreign ownership for renewable energy projects and the Green Energy Auction Program. The Net Zero Plan and Energy Efficiency Plan are also into place on top of exploring other sustainable technologies. This is to ensure the continuous flow of energy across the country and guarantee that all efforts are made to promote a safer and cleaner way of amassing energy. And though the 50% target is seen as an ambitious feat, when everyone works together, the number doesn't look as daunting. Do you think it is feasible to achieve the 50% target?